Recently, Google enabled the ability to launch a Google Meet directly from within a Google Classroom. To begin, click the gear or cog icon at the top to access the settings for the classroom. Go to the General section and click Generate Meet Link. Classroom creates a link to a Google Hangouts Meet. I can choose whether to make the link visible to the classroom immediately or to keep it hidden. If I choose to make it visible, the link will appear in the header of the classroom, and students can click on it to be taken directly to the Meet. And that's fine, but what if I want to use the link at a future time and not immediately? Simply leave the link hidden. When you are ready to use it, click this drop-down arrow to copy the link. Once you copy the link, you can post it to the class screen. Start a new post, enter the details, and click Add Link. Paste the link. Then, post or schedule your post for a later date. You can always click the three dots to edit or delete your post. Alternatively, you can create an assignment and add the link to the assignment. Click Classwork, Create Assignment. Fill in the relevant details. Click Add Link and paste the link to the Meet. Assign a date and time for the Meet. Then, assign or schedule the assignment. Now, the assignment with the link to the Meet will show up over here under your upcoming events, and the post won't get buried in the class screen.